Hi everybody, Assalamualaikum. How are you today? I hope you are always in the good condition, healthy, and having a good day. Well, today I'm going to read you an article about honey and then I will explain it to you. Before I read and explain about an article, let me introduce myself firstly. My name is Fitria Hairinnisa. You can call me Fitri. I am studying at Quranic Science and Interpretation major, batch 2018. I'm sorry before, the article what was written by me in the list yesterday is different with what will be read by me today. Because the article yesterday is very long and I cannot explain it. Although the article is different but the topic also about honey. The title of the article today is Honey for Face, Uses and Benefits. Honey for Face, Uses and Benefits, written by Catherine Watson. Overview. Honey is the sweet, sticky substance that bees produce and store in hives. In its natural form, honey is produced by enzyme activity, plant matter, and leaf bacteria coming together to create a powerful ingredient with hundreds of practical uses. The unique process that creates honey makes it especially valuable for cosmetic uses such as clearing acne, healing scars, and evening out skin tone. Raw unpasteurized honey has the most potential for topical application on skin. Keep reading to find out how honey can be applied to your face and help your skin. Benefits of using honey for the face. Raw honey is packed with components beneficial for your skin, especially if you have acne or autoimmune skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. Even candida overgrowth may be controlled by applying honey to your skin. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne. Manuka honey has been studied as an anti-acne product and found to be significantly more effective than other popular products. Honey speeds up your skin cells healing process. If you have blemishes or an eczema outbreak, honey that's unpasteurized could speed healing and reduce inflammation. Manuka honey is so effective at healing wounds quickly that is now used by doctors in clinical settings. Raw honey is also a natural exfoliator, which means applying it into your face takes off dry, dull skin and reveals new skin cells underneath. Uses of honey on the face. Applying honey to your face is fairly simple, though there are different ways to do it. Honey for face acne, psoriasis, and eczema. Honey for chronic skin conditions can be treated with a paste, spot treated, or with a face mask that you leave on for several minutes. The most important thing about using honey to treat this condition is to use unpasteurized honey, such as Manuka honey. It's vital that the honey you use still contains its healthy bacteria to be effective. This will activate your immune system and help with inflammation and redness, as well as heal blemishes. One way to use honey for your face is to mix it with other ingredients to create a soothing face mask treatment. Before doing this, make sure to do a patch test of honey and any other ingredients to ensure you won't have an allergic reaction. A mixture of raw honey and cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial combination. Mix 3 parts honey and 1 part freshly ground or pure cinnamon through cinnamon and warm the mixture slightly using the microwave. Apply to your skin and leave the mixture on for 8 to 10 minutes. Rinse off completely using warm water and pat your skin dry. Don't use if you're allergic to cinnamon. Honey for skin lightening and brightening. Researchers haven't drawn a direct connection between using honey on your face and lightening dark spots. But since honey has exfoliating properties, using it on your face can eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. This can reveal brighter skin. After washing your face with soap and water, apply Manuka honey or another variety of unpasteurized raw honey to your face. If you would like, dilute the honey with purified water to make it less sticky and easier to remove. Leave the honey on your skin for several minutes before rinsing off. Honey for scare fading. Honey helps your body's healing process, which may help fade acne scars. You can use honey as a spot treatment or scars, applying it every day or every other day as a patch at the site of your scarring. You may also see results if you use honey face mask as a part of your beauty routine, as described above. Keep in mind that what we know about honey's healing abilities is limited and still developing. A study found that honey may not be good for scarring caused by burns and deep cuts. Side effects of applying honey on face. Honey is unlikely to cause an allergic reaction in most people. You should use any of these remedies with caution if you have any known allergies to pollen, celery, bee venom. Always test new products on a small area of your skin that's minimally visible to see if you are allergic. Make sure to remove any honey from your face before you go to bed. Honey left on your face can attract dust and other debris, which could aggravate an active breakout. Takeaway: using raw honey on your face can work as a treatment for acne, scarring, and dull or dry skin. Raw honey is more expensive than other kinds of honey, but it's relatively inexpensive compared to other skin cosmetics for your face. Researchers are working to find out more about honey can help your face look its brightest and most clear as long as you don't have an allergy. There's little reason not to give it a try. That's all the article today, and then I will explain the article to you. Honey is a sticky sweet liquid which is produced by the bee and saved in hive. Honey is produced from the flower, but in the article said they are produced by activated enzyme, live bacteria, and plant matter. It is why honey can be used for skincare, like cleaning acne, healing scars, and so on. Because the process of honey is very natural. Raw honey or natural honey is very useful for our skin, especially for acne skin, eczema, and psoriasis. Eczema is the itchy skin disease, and psoriasis is a chronic skin disease. Raw honey also can speed up healing cells of skin, and it can be an exfoliator. When the honey mixed with cinnamon, they can be an antioxidant and antimicrobial combination. Wow! Honey also can be the brightening and lightening for your skin. It also can eliminate dead cells of the skin. How to use it? Just apply it on your face after washing your face with the soap. It can also use it for fading scars, especially acne scars. Just apply it on the spot of scars. But be careful. A study found that honey is not good for scarring caused by burns and deep cuts. And remember, not everyone is suitable for using the honey, because honey is causing some allergic reaction in some people. Okay guys, that's all what I can deliver. I'm sorry for my mistake, if any. Thank you for your attention. The last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.